Where'd the bird go?
I saw the bird.
I know, I saw the mama bird, but I don't. Where'd it go?
I don't know, but I want to get a cage and keep them as pets.
It's gonna attack me if I touch the babies. Come on, Jackson, let's go.
No, you.
Oh, I can't see them.
I'm gonna be your guard. Okay.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna.
Wait, maybe it's in there right now. Wait, let me get a share.
Get the seat. Get the seat.
Here, have the phone.
Okay.
Up.
Jackson, get the phone right here.
Come on, let's go.
It's so bright outside.
Oh shoot.
Do you take a picture? Wait, don't get on it.
Can't see anything.
I was gonna push it up.
Why? Where are they at? I can't see them.
They're under the whole thing.
Are they like buried in there?
Yeah. Why does mama like to bury stuff?
I see the flowers twitching.
That's because of the wind.
I don't see anything. Crap. You want to get on that chair, Jackson? Seems a little dangerous.
No, they might pick my glasses.
No, they're not.
They might pick
Only
up
the
my
mama
glasses.
bird can do that. Here, take the safety glasses.
Can they
I'll
pick,
cover you.
Can they pick this off? Can they pick this off?
No. Let's go. Let's go.
I picked it
The
off.
glasses will protect your eyes from getting picked out.
I see them.
Hey, don't go in there.
They're all the way on the tree. I can see real
No,
far.
they're not. They're right there. Go.
Ah! She's coming after us.
No, she's not.
She's coming after us.
There's a stranger.
There's a tree.
Well, maybe.
Ah!